Ching! You want to spread? No need na. Bilis lang pala. Not butter. Jam. Jelly. Ay, jam pala, jam. Very good. And then we're going to fold this. Wow. It's like a pizza. Pizza cut. It's like triangle, no? Triangle. Put here on your plate. Put here. Thank you. Are you ready to eat? Thank you for helping Mama. Welcome to another vlog. It's November 29 and pupunta kami sa isang birthday party and kids party naman to. Excited! Ayan, kumakain si baby ng snack. So, dyan lang siya gaganapin sa McGettigans. And doon kami papunta ngayon. Few drive lang naman. Super lapit lang. Ano? Ikaw? O, ayan na. Mommy will, cover your eyes. It's okay? No. Nakagaling mag-cover ng eyes. Look, oh! Balloons! Randy! Balloons!
Ask Tito.
Ask Tito. Open.
Ask Daddy.
No, this one muna
Daddy will
first. This
open.
one first. Later that.
Kanina niya pa kayo pinapa-open.
Ah.
Palit daw kayo.
We got
Meron pala silang pool.
oh, we're not allowed to swim, huh? No, we're already done. We're already done taking a bath.
Wag na.
Alam ko mayroong day of dito.
What? Hey, it's wet. Careful. Not that one. Try this one. Yan, very good.
Last not that if like 300k, I can take that.
Woohoo! Woohoo!
Hello. Hello.
Very good. Ulit. Mommy here. Where do you want to slide? The yellow? Go to the yellow. Go. Sa'yo naman dito, ang daming gulay. Mga gulay. What are you? Hindi pa yan natutulog.
Oh, welcome to the birthday celebrant! Jeez!
About chicken nuggets. Chicken nuggets! Grapes.
What's that?
Apple and dragon fruit.
Dito, dito! Guys! Hands up! Hands up!
Hands up!
Go inside!
Uy!
Oh.
Guys, ayan, bahay na kami. And sobrang enjoy ang bata, guys. Ang saya ng birthday. And happy birthday, Jace! Or Lucky. Ayan. Ang dami naming mga colleagues na ngayon ko na lang talaga nakita ulit. Kakabalik lang namin dito sa Pujero, kaya naman ngayon ko lang sila talaga nakita. And nakakatuwa na sobrang daming bata na dito, guys. Madaming bata and madaming kalaro si Ryan. Sabi ko nga, isa siguro to sa madaming reason kung bakit kami nalipat. Baka dahilan kay baby. Dami ko, guys, nakain. Ang sarap ng food. Sarap ng steak sa McGettigans at saka yung pasta. Siguro truffle pasta yun kaya ganun yung ganun ako kasarap na sarap. Enjoy din yung yung slides na kasi talaga namang yung mga bata is masaya. Pati si baby, super happy. So, ayun lang, guys. Tomorrow, mag-vlog ako kasi naumpisahan ko na tong vlog na to. Baka makalimutan ko kasi ipupush ko talaga na matapos ko yung repotting ng halaman. Yun yung hindi ko nagawa last vlog kasi nag-unboxing lang ako. Mag-ayos ako ng sarili ko kasi sleeping time na din. So, I'll see you sa next clip. Sa next day. Guys, another vlog. Na kaming Dubai today. Kanina wala kaming plano pero ngayon pa-Dubai na. Ganun kabilis. Baka i-meet na din namin yung kapatid ko since matagal na kami hindi nagkikita. And Dubai lang din naman siya. Baka sa DCC kami, Deira City Center. Kasi balak din namin pumunta sa Dubai Mall. Kaso wala kaming makakainan doon na pet ni baby. Kasi diba? Makainasal, ganyan, barbecue. Meron sa DCC na JT's Manukal. Doon kami kakain. Mag-iikot-ikot lang tayo today. Holiday na nga din pala. Gusto ni baby, hawak niya. So, holiday na nga din pala. It's a long holiday because of UAE National Day. Sa December 2 ba or December 3? Basta ganun. Basta meron ngayong long holiday. Kaya yung mga tao is travel lang. So kami, taga Fujairah, pupunta kaming Dubai. Tapos yung mga taga city, pupunta dito sa Fujairah and sa Ras Al Khaimah para mag-camping, maglibot-libot na mga tourist spots areas, mag-swimming. Kaya pa ba mag-swimming ngayon? Malamig. Yeah, medyo madami din ng car pagbiyahe papuntang Dubai. Sabi ko nga kay Mon kanina, akala ko walang tao. Akala ko papunta sa Fujairah yung mga tao, hindi. Yung mga madami din pa Dubai. Since Sunday din naman yan. Wow daw. Sabi ko, may inflation ba ng croissant? 10 dirhams na pala yung cheese croissant. Wow! Wow! Talaga ba? Akala ko 3. 3.5. Wow daw! You want to eat na? Okay. Eat properly. Okay. We'll eat croissant, okay? Masarap to, guys. Imarat. Ano? Cheese croissant, 10 dirhams. Painit nyo lang. We're going to eat! Bumili din ako ng... Baka maghanap. Sarap guys. Ayun o, cheese siya talaga. Ayun, cheese.
I've been out of my head, can't get out of bed. Too much on my brain, but got it good, can't complain. It's like I'm losing my mind, and time's hard to find. What's a girl gotta do to catch up?
Para sa'yo, hindi para sa'yo.
When life tries to test me, I take it one day at a time. 'Cause I was crying yesterday, but look at me today. It has been so long since I wrote a sad song. Sunshine on my...
Binili nga pala namin to sa 1004 Gourmet. 7 dirhams lang siya. Ano siya, Americano. Tapos bumili lang ng ice. Ayan o. Para siyang Korean store. Nice to. Ay, dyan na naman siya kay ate. Punta tayo dito sa 1004 Gourmet. Bili tayo sa store. Meron silang food. And dito, grocery store nila. Korean. Korean, Japanese. Di ba mura lang? 5 dirhams to. Konjac jelly. Low calories, 3 calories lang. Look oh, may juice oh. Oh. May juice. You want strawberry juice? You want strawberry? Oh, 350. Hey, juice. Ito 3 dirhams. Na juice. We have pomegranate. 3 dirhams. Try natin to. Kasi ininom mo kanina, mahal. This one. This one, yan. Oh, this one daw. Sarap yan. Masarap, masarap. 7 dirhams. Tapos meron silang yellow, oh. They have yellow. For 4 dirhams, pwede nyo ilagay. Sarap! Dance, dance. You don't wanna think of... So good.
Feeling okay, nothing's in my way. I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. I put a dress
Meron
on
silang
today.
noodles. Ay, ito yung spaghetti.
And I'm ignoring my phone, so don't try to reach me.
9 dirhams to
I
sa
can't
ano,
do nothing
sa
for you,
Lulu.
so don't ask how you coming through.
450 lang siya. So, I
Cause
can
I'm running
buy.
away to my own world, that's where I'll stay. When life tries to test me, I take it one day at a time. 'Cause I was crying yesterday, but look at me today. It has been so long since I wrote a sad song. Sunshine on my face, I'm feeling okay. Nothing's in my
Meron din silang skincare.
I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good.
Maria! Avocado lover po. Isa lang po. Ito siya. May nuts, may seeds, may avocado cubes, cream, pearls, ice cream, and biscuit. Thank you po.
There's always room for better days. Now I know how
Sarap ng avocadoria. Ngayon lang ako kumain ng avocadoria dito sa UAE. And super tagal na nung last avocadoria ko sa Pilipinas. Hindi ko akalain na hindi pala siya purong ice cream yung avocado lover. Ang dami niyang nuts and mixtures. Bali yung pearl, pinalitan ng nuts. Sarap. May avocadorya na din pala sa Gurer. Andito kami sa Gurer, guys. So, pauwi na kami. Kasama namin si Joy. Bye-bye.